We are pleased to show you the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.